Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean's Wonders of the Seas. It's day 3 aboard one of the world's largest cruise ships, and today we're not stopping anywhere. It's a full sea day, but that doesn't mean it's boring. From dodgeball at the top of the ship to cocktails poured by robotic bartenders and even an interview with one of the aerialists from tonight's Aqua Theater show, this day turns out to be one of the most unforgettables of the entire ship. Oh, and did I mention ice skating, parades, and the tallest slide at sea? Now, let's dive into an action-packed sea day on Wonders of the Seas. The day begins with a walk through Central Park, right on deck 8 of Wonders of the Seas. This isn't Central Park in New York, but with over 10,000 real plants and an open sky above, it's the ship's own lush garden oasis, a place to breathe and reset. You'll discover cozy paths winding between upscale restaurants like Chops Grill and 150 Central Park, plus the casual park cafe if you're after something quick. There's also Giovanni's Table, the elegant vintage wine bar, and Shades, where you can just pause and watch the world drift by. Some balcony cabins actually face inwards towards this garden instead of the ocean, so guests can wake up to the greenery and nature instead of the waves. It's one of the most unique stateroom views at sea. Even at night, the atmosphere stays peaceful. Ambient lighting, soft jazz drifting through the air. It's one of the moments where you feel like the ship is alive and breathing. From there, we head to the Windjammer for breakfast, a casual buffet with hotel quality variety, juice fruits, made to order omelets, pastries, and everything in between. It's the perfect fuel for whatever is coming next. Everything but no pepper and egg whites. Breakfast at the Windjammer offers a vast selection: fresh pancakes, fluffy eggs, savory ham, and of course the ever popular omelet station. On Royal Caribbean, your omelet comes with a buzzer. Simply wait until it signals, then return to collect it. A seamless and chaotic bliss touch that keeps the morning flow effortless. If eating unlimited food for breakfast at the Windjammer didn't give you joy, perhaps looking at the beautiful calm waves will. Now we head towards the Royal Promenade, where there's going to be a parade. The Royal Promenade transforms into a celebration like no other. This isn't just a normal parade, it's the heartbeat of the ship. Everyone is involved: professional dancers, singers, Aqua Theater cast, the sports staff, and many more crew members. Now, just a couple steps away is the Bionic Bar, where robots make your drink. After the Bionic Bar, I headed straight to the very top of the ship for a game of dodgeball, and today couldn't have been any better. The weather was flawless. Just picture this: the sound of the waves below, the sea breeze rushing past, all while floating in the middle of the ocean. At one point of the game, our opponent's team was all gone. It was just left one guy versus the 10 of us. And not gonna lie, it got kind of boring waiting. After dodgeball, we went to the Ultimate Abyss on deck 16, the same deck as the sports deck. The Ultimate Abyss is a dry slide that brings you from deck 16 all the way to deck 6. That's a 10-story drop. On the very top of the slide, there's a beautiful view of the ocean. Another very important part of cruising is using the fitness center. I love eating, and to balance out all those calorie intakes, I need to work out. On Wonders of the Seas, they have a humongous fitness center full of treadmill and weight machine options. I take advantage of this and get a nice workout in before I head for more activities. Up next, we'll do ice skating. I just got back into my room, and here is our typical special Royal Caribbean towel animal. Would you look at this? It's now almost evening. This morning we played Dodgeball and Ride at the Ultimate Abyss, ate a lot of food, and enjoyed the sun, the wind breeze, and the sound of the waves. Now, who would have thought we would also have the opportunity to skate on frozen ice in the middle of the ocean? This here is Studio B, located on Deck 3. To participate, you do need to make a reservation, but this is complimentary. Everything is provided, from skates, helmets, knee pads. I'm not the best skater, but I did have a lot of fun skating in the middle of the ocean.
Sorry we can't talk, because somebody's sick. But we're here at the Ice Age skating rink. Yeah.
Alright, it's dinner time. Wrong! This is just pre-dinner. The real dinner happens at the main dining room. Since tonight's dress code was a little more enhanced and elevated, I went with a button-up, but I couldn't walk past the windjammer without grabbing a plate. For the plate, I got roast pork, juicy chicken, some green beans to balance it out, the egg dish I wasn't expecting, and some stuffed chicken breast. But trust me, what's coming up next will make this look like an appetizer. Tonight's menu was a French-inspired. Fancy, right? We kicked things off with warm buns and butter, plus a crispy iceberg salad. For the mains, I couldn't resist trying both roast beef and herb-crusted salmon. And let me tell you, that salmon, hands down the best I've ever had. The crust was perfectly crisp, but inside stayed soft and juicy. The roast beef came out rare, paired with creamy mashed potatoes, snow peas, and asparagus to balance it all out. And yes, we wrapped it up with the strawberry ice cream. Watching all this food go down effortlessly makes me want to eat so badly. The only thing holding me back from gaining weight is my youth. I better enjoy it now. Right after this, we head towards the Aqua Theater to watch the amazing Aqua Show. Stick around and I'll show you why this water show is something you can only experience on Wonder of the Seas. Soft jazz, warm lights, and the sound of ocean in the distance. Central Park is the place to unwind if you love live music. Central Park completely transforms from morning to night. Peaceful sunrise strolls to romantic jazz under the light. Which one would you rather be in, morning or night? The pool deck in the morning is a whole different vibe. Bright, lively, and full of energy. But at night, way quieter, which is honestly the best part. We tried out the whirlpool by the main pool deck and another one just outside the solarium. Nothing beats relaxing in warm water with ocean views under the night sky. We're heading to the Aqua Show next. It's unbelievable what happens. Where are you from?
Texas.
What ship are we on?
Wonder of the Sea.
What's your job?
I'm an aerialist.
How long have you been with Royal Caribbean?
This is my 3rd year with them.
What's your favorite thing about Wonders of the Seas?
About Wonder? This venue. It's
Okay, so the
gorgeous.
Aqua Theater.
Yeah.
Jim, what's one advice you want to share for future passengers on Wonders of the Seas?
Go see the Aqua Show.
Awesome, thank you. This part's just a highlight of the Aqua Show. If you're enjoying it, I've got a full video dedicated to just the show, so check it out on my channel. Now, the funny thing, or maybe not so funny at the same time, the show actually ran into some technical difficulties.
We hope and expect to resume our performance soon.
It got paused for about 10 minutes and they tried restarting it 3 times. You can feel the frustration building up. A lot of passengers ended up leaving.
We hope and expect to resume our performance soon.
Thank you for your patience. Please take your seats as the performance will resume momentarily.
We are currently experiencing unforeseen difficulties, but expect our performance to resume shortly. We thank you for your patience.
But hey, that's the thing about live shows at sea. When it works, it's magic and it's perfect. When it doesn't, you really see how unpredictable life on a cruise can be. This shows the challenges that we don't see behind the scenes. Thanks so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to Emery's Memories for more cruise adventures. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. Once again, I'm Emery, and this has been another memory.